Welcome back. Let's write set. So I'm going to go below get and add our set, which takes an index and a new value. And the first thing we do is just call get with that index. So we'll do this.get and pass in that index and save it to a variable. Let's call it found node, or no, call it whatever you want. I'm going to go with found node. And then we're just going to check if found node, or we could do it the other way and say if not found node. So if there was a found node, we could also be more specific and check if it's not null. It's probably better. So if found node is not equal to null, we're going to take found node dot val equals the new val that comes in, and then we return true. Otherwise, return false. And we don't need to do an else. We can just return false. Check our pseudocode. Was there anything else? I think that was it. And let's test it out. All right, so we have our list, and it has 3 items, Harry, Ron, and Hermione. Let's just test it out first, doing this dot set on -1 or -100 or 10, apparently, because I didn't type an extra 0. And just make sure it doesn't work. Okay, it's false. Our list is unchanged. Same thing if we tried to do it with index of 10. Same thing, unchanged. Now, let's try and set, let's say, the first item, instead of Harry, let's have it be all caps, Harry. We get true, and if we look at the list, it's still 3 items, but the first node is Harry, and everything looks good. Otherwise, it's still pointing to Ron, which is still pointing to Hermione, which is pointing to nothing. Let's try and update Hermione, so that's index of 2, and we'll do all caps again. And if we look at list or look at the tail, it's all caps. Cool. So that's working. That's all that there is to set. Nice and easy. If we write get, that is. Without get, it's a pain, but we have get, so it's nice and short.